Hey, welcome back. Today we are learning about virtual environments in pip. This lesson is a little different. Instead of writing a program, we are learning how to set up your development environment properly. Here is the problem. Let's say you have two projects. Project A needs version 1 of a library. Project B needs version 2 of the same library. If you install everything into your system Python, you get a conflict. Virtual environments solve this by giving each project its own isolated set of packages. Let's look at the code on screen. The comments walk you through the terminal commands. First, you create a virtual environment by running python 3-mvenv followed by a folder name. Let's call it mynv. That creates a folder with its own copy of Python and pip inside it. Next, you activate it. On Mac or Linux, you type source mynv/bin/activate. On Windows, it is mynv \scripts \activate. Once activated, your terminal prompt changes to show the environment name in parentheses. Now anything you install with pip only goes into this environment. Your system Python stays clean. Pip install requests would install the requests library just for this project. Pip list shows everything installed in the environment. Pip freeze outputs the exact versions. You save that to a file called requirements.txt. That file is like a recipe. On another machine, someone can run pip install - or requirements.txt and get the exact same setup. When you are done working, type deactivate to go back to your system Python. Look at the code below the comments. It prints which Python executable is running and checks if you are inside a virtual environment. Your challenge is this. Pause the video. Create a virtual environment, activate it, install the requests package, and verify it shows up in pip list. This is how professionals manage their Python projects. See you in lesson 10 for our final project.